Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your CallApp. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it here. So when you click here in this sign, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on notifications here, just click on it. So then you come to next here. Then all you have to do now, just come here to show one-time password notifications. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean show one-time password notifications disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.